How to check payment status in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to the home screen and tap on the Pay and Transfer button, usually located at the bottom left corner of the app. From the options that appear, select Activity. This section will show all your account activities, including Zelle payments. Now tap on the Zelle line to see all your payments you have sent and received. To check the status of a specific payment, tap on that payment. You will see whether the payment is pending, completed, or failed. A pending status means the recipient has not yet enrolled with Zelle and the payment is still in progress. Completed means the money has successfully been delivered to the recipient. Failed indicates the transaction did not go through and you may need to resend it. Regularly checking your payment status helps you ensure your money is sent securely and received on time, preventing any errors or delays. Now you know how to check your payment status in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.